Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 75,000 miles on the odometer. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Shifting nice and smooth. No complaints there. Drives really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tires, a ton of tread left. 305 5520s. They are Milestars. Patagonia MTs, date code 2024. Really aggressive looking. Love those tires. Overall, the wheel's in great condition. Looking at the paint, that looks good. A-pillar looks nice here on the side mirror. A couple little scuffs, a little scratch there. You can see this is lifting, super common. Couple rock chips. Of course, you get low, you're gonna have the rock chips down there. Ram side steps. Couple little chips. All very minimal stuff. Overall, that looks good. You do have something that kind of rubbed the paint a little bit right there. A few little rock chips. Ton of tread left here on that tire as well. You do have a couple gashes on that wheel. For the most part, looks good. Got your bed liner, LED lighting. Looks like the plastic there is kind of busted up. A couple markings on that taillight. It is cracked right here on the top. Got your steel bumper. Window tint. So honestly, for the miles, that looks really good. Here's your plug right here. Got that tied down so it doesn't go anywhere. Headlight. That looks good. Got the ranch hand, looking at the edge of that. Couple rock chips, but very minimal. Right here on the edge, you're gonna have that little defect there. Headlight looks good. That bumper looks really nice. Overall in great condition. Got the ranch hand. Little scuffs here and there. Couple scratches on the plastic. This part is busted. Couple little chips, nothing crazy. You do have some scratches here. BMW. Overall, the wheel looks good. Steps look nice and clean. That looks good. Couple light scuffs from just kind of everyday washing and things like that. A few little rock chips. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Fender looks good. Side mirror, you do have some transfer right there. Couple scuffs on the wheel, but for the most part, really clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the leather here with the Alcantara inserts on the side. That looks really good. Sunroof. Checking out the door panel. You have the Alcantara insert here. You can see it's nice and soft. All these buttons look good. Memory seating, tons of storage. Got your all-weather mat. Looking at that bolster, you do have some piping right here that's kind of coming undone on that corner. Cushion itself though, really nice. Typical wrinkles. And then looking at the Alcantara, you can see how smooth and clean that is. Upper side of the seat there looks good. Here on the steering wheel, you're going to see typical shine, typical wear. It's very subtle though. Headlight button area looks good. Power pedals. Looking at the steering wheel, you're going to see a little wear. It's not chewed up or anything though. Gauges look good. That screen's clean. Got the little storage with the 12-volt port here. Heated cool seats, heated steering wheel, trailer brake controller, front and rear parking sensors, the whole nine. Push button start, of course. You can see this tray slides. Not sure what this is. A little tray. It's made by WeatherTech. Oh, it's a cup phone holder. So I don't know how that works. You just set it in here. Maybe another attachment came with it. It looks like that's missing. So let's just omit that. The rest that looks good. Button's nice and clean. Garage door opener. Really nice truck. Here on that door panel, upper section looks great. That's nice and clean. Really, really nice. Got the all-weather mats. A couple dings, typical scuffs from getting in and out on that trim. Got the Alcantara here. Nice and soft. Bolster's in great condition. Even that piping looks perfect. Upper side looks good. Little stain right there. Some markings, very subtle. Overall, very nice seat. Console looks good. Glove box looks nice. And if you fold the seat down, you have a little storage back here. And then you have this airlift set up. I'm not quite sure what it's for. Here on this door panel, that's in great condition. Got your all-weather mats. Looking at the seats, those look really good. And then you have a little storage behind it with the airlift back there. Console back here looks good. Really clean for the miles. Very, very impressed. Got a little scratch on the plastic there. The upper side looks good. A couple little markings on the plastic, but for the most part in great condition. All-weather mats. Looking at the seats once again, very clean. I'm sure no one really ever sat back here based on the condition. Seat back looks good. I know it's kind of dark in here. Engine bay looks really clean though. Under hood liner, that's in great condition.